Soon after the CDC and FDA recommend that providers pause the Johnson & Johnson vaccine, word started to spread on social media that the vaccine had been recalled. We want to verify, did the FDA recall Johnson & Johnson's COVID-19 vaccine? With Verify, we like to show you our sources up front. We consulted the Centers for Disease Control, Food and Drug Administration, and Dr. Amish Adalja. He's a senior scholar in infectious disease critical care and emergency medicine physician at Johns Hopkins University in Baltimore. Let's first look at the joint statement from the CDC and FDA. It says they're recommending a pause while they look into 6 cases of blood clots out of the nearly 7 million doses already given. This is an important distinction, according to Dr. Adalja.
Think about your DVD remote. When you hit pause, that means you're going to come back and hit the unpause button. So this usually is a temporary stoppage in order to kind of take a look at the data, take a look at the lay of the land, think about the risk communication messaging, and then move forward.
According to the FDA's website, a recall is a voluntary action taken by a company to remove a defective drug product from the market. Johnson & Johnson has not removed the vaccine from the market, and there is no medical proof that it is defective. The CDC also says vaccine recalls are almost always initiated by the manufacturer, not a government entity. The FDA approved this vaccine through an emergency use authorization, meaning it doesn't yet have the FDA's full approval. According to the FDA, Johnson & Johnson must continually review medical data related to its vaccine in order to maintain its emergency use authorization. And that's the reason we know about these 6 cases.
You have to remember that when you do a clinical trial, you're studying maybe tens of thousands or hundreds of thousands of people. That's very different than when you're putting a vaccine into hundreds of millions of people.
Now, there's no confirmation yet that the vaccine caused these blood clots. Scientists from the FDA and CDC will work together to see if there's any possible links moving forward.
The intention is that this will resume, and I do suspect the Johnson & Johnson vaccine will resume.
So we can verify the Johnson & Johnson vaccine has not been recalled. This is only a recommendation to pause giving out doses while it undergoes a review. If you have something you want us to verify, send an email to verify@wfaa.com.